Hey there, finance enthusiasts. If you're diving into the world of smart money management with Copilot Money, one of the first things you'll want to do is connect your bank accounts. This simple process lets you track your spending, set budgets, and get personalized insights all in one place. Stick around, and I'll guide you through it step by step in just a couple of minutes. First off, make sure you have the Copilot Money app downloaded on your phone or accessed via your web browser. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and sign up. It's quick and straightforward. Once you're logged in, head over to the main dashboard. Look for the Accounts or Settings tab, usually found in the menu at the bottom or top of the screen. Next, tap on Add Account or Connect Bank. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a list of supported banks. Select yours from the options. If your bank isn't listed, don't worry. Many apps support manual entry. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your bank login credentials. Remember, Copilot Money uses secure connections, so your info is encrypted and safe, just like logging into your bank's website. After entering your details, you might need to authorize the connection. This often involves a two-factor authentication step, like a code sent to your phone. Once that's done, the app will start linking your accounts. It might take a minute or two to sync your transactions, so grab a coffee while it works its magic. One quick tip. If you run into any errors, double-check your credentials or ensure you're using a stable internet connection. Also, review the permissions you're granting to make sure everything aligns with your comfort level for privacy. And there you have it. You've successfully connected your bank accounts to Copilot Money. Now, you can enjoy real-time updates on your finances, spot trends, and make smarter decisions. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. What's your favorite feature in Copilot Money? Let me know in the comments below.